today we partnered with the Mott's Children's Hospital and Sophie's Place, which is the music therapy studio within the hospital. Our main goal today was really to just bring some joy with singing Disney songs and songs that are familiar to all these kids. Hopefully they were able to sing along and let their inner joy out. So it was broadcast into the rooms with the TVs, and it was also recorded so they can play it in the future whenever they want. During the performance, the doors are also open so anyone in the hospital can come in and take a look while we do it.
I think that art is just such a powerful way to reach out to the community. Not only is it engaging and fun, but I think there's a spiritual quality of art that can reach anybody wherever they are at any phase of life. And that's why I think it's so effective, especially for outreach to children. And so to bring the art here, it makes it so much more important. It makes what I do have meaning, and I'm just grateful to be here and to share that gift.